In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI for Google Sheets formulas, step by step 2026. If you've ever felt stuck trying to build the right spreadsheet formula, this guide will show you how to use Grok to get clear, accurate answers fast. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. You'll land on the main page where the chat interface is front and center, ready to help. You can start using it right away, but if you want your conversations and settings to be saved for later, log into your account. Logging in is optional, and I'll keep this short. It just helps you keep track of your prompts and results across sessions and devices. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat window. At the bottom is the message bar where you'll type your request, and around it you'll find a few helpful controls that can fine-tune how Grok responds. Below the chat bar, look for the deep search option. This is optional, but it's great when you want more thorough, source-aware answers. For complex spreadsheet tasks, like nested functions, array formulas, or comparing multiple approaches, turning on deep search can provide extra detail and better context. For quick, simple formulas, you can leave it off. You'll also notice response modes for the chat bar: Auto, Fast, and Expert. Auto is a smart default. It chooses the best balance for most questions. Fast prioritizes speed and concise results, perfect for simple lookups or quick fixes. Expert gives you more depth with step-by-step reasoning, edge cases, and alternatives. Choose what fits your task. You can always switch modes if you need more or less detail. Now let's focus on Google Sheets formulas. In the message bar, clearly describe what you want. For example, you might type, "Create a Google Sheets formula that sums values in column B only if column A equals paid," or "Give me a formula to extract the domain from an email address." Be specific about ranges, conditions, and the result you expect. If you have constraints, like ignoring blanks, handling errors, or respecting case sensitivity, mention those too. You can also ask for a brief explanation so you know how to adjust the formula later. Once you submit your prompt, Grok will generate key information, the exact formula, a short explanation of how it works, and often helpful variations. If the answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt or ask follow-up questions like, "Make it exclude zeros," or "Convert this to an array formula." When the result looks good, copy the formula into your Google Sheet and test it on a small sample first to confirm it behaves as expected. That's it. Simple, flexible, and fast. Try a few prompts, switch modes as needed, and let Grok handle the heavy lifting while you stay focused on your data.